How to create your first scroll on UpScrolled. Hi everyone, welcome back to Wake&Tech. In this video, we are going to learn how you can easily create your first scroll on the UpScrolled application using your smartphone. First things first, open the UpScrolled application from your device. Make sure you're logged into your account. After you're signed in, go to the bottom center of the screen and tap on the plus icon. Now, select whether you'd like to create a text scroll, photos, or video. I'm just gonna tap on text. Now, start typing in the text box. Your scroll can include text, images, lists, etc. Just type naturally after typing down your scroll. You can also go ahead and upload photos, videos, from your device's camera roll or take a picture from your camera. You can also add topics from the bottom of the screen, add location if you want, and then finally click on post at the top right. Soon after you do that, you will be able to create your first scroll. Now there you have it, your first scroll has been posted. Now you can explore, create more content, experiment with layouts, and make scrolls that look clean and professional. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.